We're nearing the end of Speed Week on the TheRcSaylors with, yeah, a jet. This is crazy. We've never done anything like this on the channel. Yeah, we've done speed tests. We've never really devoted a whole week to speed, but how appropriate to end Speed Week with an RC jet. That doesn't mean it's the very end. We have one more speed test coming to the channel. This is the E-flite Viper. It comes in at about $250. You need a 6S battery to fly this puppy, and it is quick. Yeah, 6 cells of power. This should be fast. Yesterday we did a speed test on just a traditional 3S airplane. A great one, but we wanted to kind of set the tone to see how fast a regular plane goes versus this. Abby and I are kind of thinking we might have capped out our GPS meter at 106 kilometers an hour. So at the very least, if you missed yesterday's video, go watch that really quickly, see how fast the regular plane goes, and then come back to watch this, because this, it's faster. Let's do a speed test and see how quick this is. If you fall in love with anything you see in this video, we'll have it linked in the description box below. I'm excited, let's do this. So the general rule here that I've set for myself is that I'm leaving safe on for this entire flight. The reason for that is I don't want to cheat and get steep dives to try to show it going faster than what it can go. Obviously we have a little bit of wind here today, but who doesn't have wind? So I'm going to do half flaps on this takeoff and just get this puppy in the air and see how fast it goes.
That was a fast takeoff, wow.
Yeah, that was pretty quick. Let's go ahead and put the flaps up. I believe I got them up. I'm gonna do one pass. I think I have this switch reversed, so I need to do one pass to see where my flaps are. It's going slow and it feels like there's a lot of lift. Yeah, see my flaps are fully down. Let's put them up. Yeah, and let's just go ahead and put the landing gear up too. All right, now let's start getting a feel for the speed here. Yeah, I'm going to do my best to keep it level. I'm at about 60% throttle, and yeah, things are going to be a little bit far away on this one because I'm going to bank into this and get a little bit closer to us. Here we go. And full throttle. I'm going to kick into it right here. Yeah, a little bit faster than yesterday's plane. I think we can say that safely. Let's go ahead and full throttle back into it this way.
Just a little tad bit.
Just a little tad bit.
Just a tad bit. I can't even keep up with it.
And we'll come back in fast and just a little bit of a drop on this elevation, just so you guys can get a feel for this too. Yep, I'll take that. Now just for the guys that are up here at the airfield, I am going to do a runway pass so they can get a feel for this too, because a lot of them are just drooling over this thing right now. So I'm full throttle coming in from this steep curve, and here we go. I'm going to go right along the runway. Good luck, Abby. The sun is over here on the side.
Yeah, I don't even know where you are. Just pointing the camera.
Okay.
It's so bright out.
This way too. Here we go, full throttle. Yep, that's a fast plane.
I'm like blinded from the sun.
Wow. Okay, Abby's doing a really good job. She is struggling here to keep up with this thing. We're gonna hit the flaps and go ahead and drop the landing gear. What I'm gonna do is a slow pass for you guys here too. I want you to see how slow this plane can go. Remember how fast it was just going? I want you to see this. This is crazy. We can almost hover. Now, yeah, we're getting a little bit of choppy wind here, so I gotta keep a little bit of airspeed up because I don't want it to fall. But isn't that cool? Look at that thing. Wow. Okay, we're gonna pass around one more time, put that landing gear back up so it's not fighting me the whole time, go half flaps, and what do you say? One more speed test for good measure? One
yeah,
more?
Go across the field.
Like a nice fast pass for everybody?
Yep.
Okay, like we normally do, right?
Yep.
All right, good luck. We got the sun on to our back, so here we go, full throttle. One more fun pass. We'll do another pass the other way too. Here it is. Yep, I'll take that. That is just sweet. Wow. You guys have any guesses as to what tomorrow's speed test is going to be on? It will be the last one for the week. Here we go. One more pass over Death Valley. Yep. I have to bleed off a little bit of speed. I'm going to go down to half flaps here, right out there. Lowering my landing gear, and let's go full flaps. Let's bring it in for a landing. In this choppy wind, this should be interesting. I've never really had a super smooth landing with this. I always seem to be flying it on really windy days. What is your guess? If the Valiant can get 106 kilometers an hour, What can this do? Did we top out our GPS meter finally? Wow, wow, wow. Yep, little bouncy, but I'll take it. Let's do my flaps back up and we'll taxi right in here, show you guys how fast this is. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Let's look. I got a little peek of this before Abby had the camera ready. We didn't top out at 106. I know that.
What is it?
174 kilometers an hour. Whoa!
I don't know if I can get that at all.
So before we took a look at this, Abby was like, I don't know if that's even a usable video, guys. To me, that she was really sorry. Hopefully this turns out, because what?
Just hold it still. I'm still trying to get this. There, I think you can see it.
174. That's almost 100 miles an hour. I don't know off the top of my head because I've never broken 100 kilometers an hour. Here we are.
Yesterday.
Almost 200 kilometers an hour. Oh my gosh. And the whole time I just feel like I'm in absolute control of that Viper. That thing is amazing. That is an amazing jet. Wow. Okay, well, I have a second battery and I don't care if it's windy or not. This thing flying that fast can cut through anything. And with those flaps, it comes in so soft and slow. Wow. That should be anybody's first jet for sure. Guys, we'll have that linked in the description box below. You really should check out my maiden flight of this, but during this entire flight, I just felt so good. Like I had total control over this thing, and that's what you want in an RC jet. Okay, all the good stuff's linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in tomorrow's last speed test video.
Bye!